Student, here we solve some question of exercise 3.1. Question number 1. In the matrix A is equal to 2, 5, 19, minus 7, 35, minus 2, 5 by 2, 12, root 3, 1, minus 5, 17. Write the order of this matrix, number of element of this matrix, and element A13, A21, A33, A23. Remember this matrix have 1, 2, 3 row, and 1, 2, 3, 4 column. So order of this matrix becomes 3 cross 4. In order we write first number of a row and the second number of a column. Clear? Now write a number of elements. This matrix have order 3 cross 4, so number of element of this matrix is equal to product of these two. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Remember this. Here count this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Clear this? So think how to get the number of elements of a given matrix. If a matrix have order n cross m, then number of element of this matrix is equal to n into m, product of these two numbers. Now find the A13. A13, that is the members which contain in a first row and third column. First row and third column. First, second and third column. So this is a A13. Clear? So A13 is equal to 19. Similarly, A21 lies in a second row and the first column. Second row and first column. This is number 35. So A21 is equal to 35. Similarly, what is about A33? A23. Think about this yourself. Now question number 2. A matrix has 24 elements. What are the possible order it can have? What if it has 13 elements? If number of elements of a matrix is 13, then what do you say about this matrix? First we think about a matrix having 24 elements. First we think about factor of this matrix. First factor 1, common factor, we know that. Second 2, 3 is also factor of this. 4 is also this factor, because 24 is divisible by 4. Same, think about 5 is not a factor of this. 6, 24 divisible by 6, or 6 divide 24. 7 does not divide 8, divide this 24. 9 does not divide. Clear? 10 does not divide. 11 does not divide. 12. Then last 24. Clear? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Now think about product of 2 becomes 24. If we take a first factor 1, then select in such a way that the product become 24. So 24. So first kind of a matrix become 1 cross 24. Change the order, 24 cross 1. Similarly, 2 with a 12. 2, 12. So 12, 2. Clear? This becomes second kind of matrix. Then changing order we get a next kind of a matrix. 3, 3, then 8. So 3, 8, 8, 3. This is also type of matrix. 4, 6. 4 cross 6. 6 cross 4. So we have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 matrix we get, whose number of elements are 24. Now matrix having 13 elements. 13 have only two factor, 1 and 13 itself. So we have only two type matrix, 1 cross 13 and a 13 cross 1. Clear? Because 13 is a prime number, have only two factor, 1 and itself. So have only two type of a matrix. Okay. Question number 3 given. If a matrix have 18 elements, what are the possible order it can have? What if it has 5 elements? Applying same as we solve the question number 2, solve this question yourself. Now question number 4, construct a 2 cross 2 matrix A is equal to Aij, A is equal to Aij 2 cross 2, whose elements are given by number 1 given Aij is equal to I plus j raised to 2 upon 2. First we think about this matrix. Here A is a matrix of type 2 cross 2, Aij 2 cross 2. So this matrix have two row, A11, A21. Here A11, A12, A21, A22, two row and two column. First we get A11 using this formula Aij. Here Aij is equal to, we have I plus j raised to 2 upon 2. Replacing I by 1 and j by 1, in this formula we get 1 plus 1 raised to 2 upon 2 is equal to 2 square 4 upon 2, that is a 2. Now get a second entry A21, replacing I by 1 and j by 2, in this formula 1 plus 2 raised to 2 upon 2 is equal to 3 square. 3 square is a 9 by 2. Now A21 is equal to same, replace I by 2 and j by 1. 2 plus 1 raised to 2 upon 2 is equal to 9 by 2. Similarly A22 is equal to, replacing I by 2 and j by 2. 2 plus 2 raised to 2 upon 2 is equal to, we get 2 plus 2 4. 4 square is a 16 upon 2 becomes a 8. Now replacing A11, A12, A21, A22 by its value, we get matrix A is equal to 2, 9 by 2, 9 by 2, 8. This is the matrix 2 cross 2. Clear? Applying same, we get a matrix using formula of Aij is equal to I upon j. Number third, Aij is equal to I plus 2j raised to 2 upon 2. Just try to solve this equation applying the same method. Question number 5. Find a 3 cross 3 matrix whose elements are given by Aij is equal to 1 by 2 mod of minus 3i plus j. Here, this matrix contains 3 row, 4 column, A11, A12, A13, A14, contain 4 column, 3 row. So second row A21, A22, A23, A24. Similarly, third row A31, A32, A33 and A34. Now get each entities like as A11, replacing I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1 in this formula, we get A11. Same, get A12, A13, that is each entities we get using this formula, and replacing by its value we get a matrix A 3 cross 3. Clear? Each equation solve yourself. Similarly, for elements Aij to I minus j, also you get applying same. Now here we discuss about next question. Find the value of x and y and z if two matrix 4, 3, x, 5 and y, z, 1, 5 are equal. We know that two matrices are equal, then corresponding entities of both matrices are also equal. So for a first matrix, first element 4, here first element y. So compare both elements, corresponding entities. 4 is equal to y. Similarly, 3 is equal to z. X is equal to 1. 5 is 5. So value of x 1, y 4 and z is 3. Clear? Applying same in a question number next, x plus y 2, 5 plus z, this is a 2, x into y is equal to 6, 2, 5, 8. Find value of x, y, z. Comparing both matrix corresponding entries, x plus y is equal to 6. Take result number 1. 5 plus z is equal to 5. 5 plus z is equal to 5. From this we get value of z. Z is equal to 0 directly. 5 cancel. Now x into y is equal to 8. Take a result number 2. So solving equation 1 and equation 2, we get value of x and y. You know that how to solve. By substituting method, y is equal to take x minus 6 in this equation, get value of x. Replacing x in this equation, we get y. Clear? Same in equation number number third given, x plus y plus z, x plus z, y plus z is equal to 9, 5, 7. Both matrix are column matrix. Compare both matrix. X plus y plus z is equal to becomes 9. Clear? Similarly, x plus z is equal to 5. Y plus z is equal to 7. If we put the value of x plus z is equal to 5 in this, we get value of y. 5 take this side, so 9 minus 5, that is 4. So value of y is equal to become 4. Y is equal to 4, taking in this last equation, we get value of z. Clear? And value of z taking in a second equation, we get value of x. You know that how to solve this all equation. Same question number 7 given. Two matrix given are equal. Then find A, B, C. A minus B, 2A plus C, 2A minus B, 3C plus D is equal to minus 1, 5, 0, 13. Comparing both matrix, we get the equation of AB, two equation of AB. Solving these two equation, A minus B is equal to minus 1 and 2A minus B is equal to 0. Solving these two equation, we get value of A and B. You know that how to solve. Second, 2A plus C is equal to 5 and 3C plus D is equal to 13. 2A plus C is equal to 5 and 3C plus D is equal to 13. Using value of A in this equation, we get C, and value of C in this equation, we get D. Think how to solve this, complete yourself. Now question number 8, MCQ type question given. Number 8, object equation. A is equal to Aij M cross N is a square matrix. Then what is the correct answer? M less than N, M greater than N, M is equal to N, or none of this. A is equal to Aij M cross N is a square matrix. So this matrix have same number of row and a column, that is M is equal to N. So answer is option C. Now number 9, which of the given value of x and y makes the matrix equal? Compare both matrix, corresponding entry of both matrix. 3x plus 7 is equal to 0, so value of x is equal to become minus 7 upon 3. From this 2 minus 3x is equal to 8, so value of x is equal to 3x, take this side, so 2 minus 8, that is a minus 6 upon 3, that is a minus 2. Both not same. So answer is not possible. Clear? Option D. Now last question number 10. The number of all possible matrix of order 3 cross 3 with each entry 0 or 1 is equal to blank. Here this is a matrix of type 3 cross 3, 3 row and 3 column. Clear? with entries 0 or 1. That is the first element replacing by 0 or 1. Similarly, each entry of this matrix can be changed into two different ways. So, number of matrix is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, total 9 times. 2 into 2 into 2 up to 9 times. Clear? 9 times. So 2 raised to 9. Clear this? That is a 5, 1, 2. 2 raised to 9 is equal to. So remember this last option D. Correct answer. Now remaining topics of this chapter we discuss in a next lecture. Bye.